Distance between 2 points. So when we are looking at points on coordinate planes, it is also important that we know how to find the actual measurements of the distance between the points. So there are 3 cases of distance between 2 points on a coordinate plane. The first 2 have fewer steps than the third, but you have to be able to identify when to use what. Okay, so again, when we are looking at coordinate plane, it has x and y axis, and we're looking for the distance between 2 points like this. Okay. All right. So case 1 is when the x coordinates of the 2 points are the same. Okay. If the x coordinates are the same, the distance between the 2 points is absolute value of the difference of the y coordinates. Okay. So the line connecting the 2 points is a vertical line. So think about it. If in a coordinate plane, if the points have the same x values, x coordinates, so in this case, example 1, it's at, I'm just estimating, -3, 5, and -3, -4. Notice how it is going to form a vertical line. And we're looking for the distance right here. Okay, so notice how what matters here is going to be the distance between the difference between the y coordinates. Okay, so here I have y coordinate of 5, y coordinate of -4. We will have to find the difference of it and then find the absolute value. So distance here is going to be absolute value of 5 minus -4, which is absolute value of 9. So the distance between the 2 points is going to be 9 units. Okay. So think about it. If it's this much is 5 and this much is 4, it makes sense that it is going to be 9, right? Same idea for case 2, but in this case, it's where the y coordinates are the same. But just same idea, just the opposite. Okay? So the distance, again, we are going to find by finding the absolute value of the difference of the x coordinates. Okay, so in this case, it will be a horizontal line. How long is the points apart on the horizontal line? Okay, so again, we're now focusing on the x values. Absolute value of 1, difference is 1 minus 6, so it'll be 5 units apart. Okay, makes sense, right? So now, case 3 is going to be a bit more complicated because we don't only have points that are horizontal or vertical, but sometimes we have points that are diagonal, okay? And we should still be able to find the distance between the two points. Here is a special formula. D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So basically, notice how the idea is similar. We are going to be adding and then finding the average, okay? So here, let's say E is, these are my x1, y1, and x2, y2, and simply plug it into the equation. So D is equal to square root of x2, so it'll be -4, minus -9 squared, plus y2, so it'll be 0 minus 5 squared. Square root, so -4 plus 9 is 5, so it'll be 25, plus -5 squared is 25. Square root of 50, and it'll be, can be written as 25 times 2, so it'll be 5 root 2. So the distance between the 2 points of E and F is going to be 5 root 2 units. And that's it. Okay. Alright, so again, finding the distance between the 2 points is going to be a key here that you are going to, when they are vertical or horizontal, you just basically find the units away from each point. And for the diagonal, it's a bit more complicated, but again, knowing this formula right here will help you greatly. Alright, thank you very much.